Welcome back, guys. It's been a day since we've been back from Brands doing the taxi rides with the 350Z. Not really had a look at it yet. We think it was fine. We need to have a double check. So we'll pull it out, have a look. Can't film in here for some reason. The lights do some mad shit and start flickering around on the GoPro. So we'll pull it out, see what's broke. Hopefully nothing's broke, but there's always something broke. So, as you can see, I left in a rush, and Yogi's cushions are still in here. No doubt he's going to go absolutely berserk when he goes to get his next student in the car and they don't fit because he needs the cushions. So, good start. Not even got out of the workshop. I don't know if you can read that. It says sense. So they're telling me I have no sense, but I think I do. Or we've lost the air to fuel sensor. Obviously the car's running a turbo, so we do need that really. Not like I look at it, but I'll pretend that I do. This weekend we went to Three Sisters in Wigan. Wanted to see if the car worked, gripped up. We have some semi-slicks on, low PSIs, 265s, grip the car up. We did leak a bit of oil into the catch can, which is, I guess, acceptable compared to where we were at this time last year, where we were spraying oil up the windscreen and everything. Then we headed to Brands. My job at Brands was actually to manage the track, so I wasn't there to do passenger rides. But 350Z came, we bought some road tyres, and you can see we killed 6. We gave the car absolute hell, and it was more of a demo run, shall we say, than passenger rides. The tyre wear wasn't very good, so we must have knocked the alignment out on something. It was smoky, very smoky. I'll show you in the back of the car shortly, but one thing I've always said is I need a firewall. Paige doesn't believe me. She says, oh, how bad can it be? Well, this is how bad it is.
You might not see a lot.
What? As in the cabin will just get full of smoke?
Yeah.
Can't see anything.
This full back end, it actually lifts off. I say it lifts off, it actually falls off as well quite often. Twice it has closed the M6, and the Highways Agency have got in touch with one of our sponsors and said we found this in lane 3 of the motorway. So it came loose, we've self-tapping it, so we're going to whip it off again in a minute and put the new poppy things on. They're an absolute load of shit, to be honest. They're I think they're like £40 for 2, and they break in weeks. But right now I don't know what else we can use other than the self-tappers. So the back's off. Imagine seeing that down the middle of the M6. You can see the back end is just fully open, obviously, from inside the car. See straight out the back, and that's not just not good for smoke, but the rubber and the dirt, the tyres is absolutely everywhere. This was spotless before we left, and that's what, 10 tyres worth of rubber. So we'll get it cleaned out. Well, I say we.
Hi.
He'll get that cleaned out, and I'll pretend to help, I guess. Oil, catch can. There's not a lot though. I mean, I don't think there's a lot. We'll take it off and empty it. It doesn't look like there's a lot. There's still enough in the engine, which isn't a bad sign, considering again we drove the absolute balls off of this. Catch can's off. Harvey's very kindly poured the oil from it all over the floor. He's got a bit in the bottle. I'd say there's a bit short than half a litre, which I guess is not ideal, but it is what it is, I guess. If we're running a turbo, we're gonna have these things, but it's better, so we'll get that mounted back up. We need to find the sensor for the air to fuel, and I actually don't have a clue where that is, but there's wires coming out of there, which I guess maybe for that. Catch can's back in, can is clean, how can do that? So the next time this car's out is not at Alton Park, so we're running the track, but it's going to be him driving, which will be interesting. It's all cleaned out, ready for the back to go back on, and surprisingly enough, I think the car's pretty much in one piece. We do seem to have gathered a lot of rubber in places where there probably shouldn't be rubber, but almost too good to be true.